All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at page 83 in your Go Math lesson 4.2, multiplying decimals. So on here we're looking at multiplying 2 times 800ths. Now I can do this with an area model by breaking it down by the value of each digit. This is obviously just a 1 digit by 1 digit number, so it would just be 2 times 8 tenths. And I could multiply my basic fact. 2 times 8 is 16, and then move my decimal over. So when we talk about placing our decimal, two different things that I'm going to show you here. First of all, I know that I'm multiplying 2 times 0 and 8 tenths. When I multiply this, I want to think, to make this a whole number, I could multiply by 10 to the power of what? Because this is
Can you do it?
No, but I don't want you to talk because once it starts, I just want to keep moving. Because this is already a whole number, I'd be multiplying it by 10 to the power of 0. I don't need to move the decimal, but here I do need to move the decimal. I need to move the decimal over 1 time to make it a whole number, so this would be times 10 to the power of 1. So now I multiply it just like a whole number. 2 times 8 is 16, and in order to place my decimal, I need to move over my decimal. 10 to the power of 0 plus 10 to the power of 1, it means I need to divide it by 10 to the power of 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Move it over 1 time, and now my answer is 1 and 6 tenths. Do the same thing here. Here you've got, and I'm going to put the larger digits on top, larger number of digits, and I would just multiply it like a whole number. 3 times 33 is 99, but to place the decimal, I know that I had to move this one over 2 times, so 10 to the power of 2, and this is 10 to the power of 0. So I move my decimal over a total of 2 times. Divide by 10 to the power of 2, move it over 2 times, 1, 2. Now it's in front of the 9. Boom, 99 hundredths. So same thing here. When you're placing it, you're just going to multiply it like a regular number. 71 hundredths times 5. Here, this would be 10 to the power of 2. This, I don't need to move a decimal, so it's just 10 to the power of 0. And when you multiply 71 times 5, you get 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. And you're going to move your decimal over a total of 0 plus 2 times. 1, 2. You've got your decimal now between the 3 and the 5. You're going to continue this to go all the way through number 9. Other than that, the connection here is not good. So I am going to go. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I'd be glad to answer any questions. Other than that, have a great night, guys. Bye.